Do not forget the original plan. See, we can get to the point where we just keep doing and doing and doing, and we forget what God originally called us to. We were designed by Him. We have to remember that God did turn some of the curses of our past into the blessings of our present. We have to remember that, yes, He rained down manna from heaven, but He also delivered us from Egypt. We have to remember that He parted the Red Sea and He also brought down the Jericho wall. He had them walk through the river of Jordan, and He also delivered you and He delivered me. There is something that He's done for you in the past. Don't forget to look back over your shoulder. Your soul does not have to wonder how you got over. You know you got over because of the blood of the Lamb and the word of your testimony. You know you got over because of His word that was hidden in your heart. You know you got over because of the promises that He kept, the faithfulness of God.